Alright. I'm gonna replace part with the 3-axis. That one didn't want to come out. Oh, put a bunch of nails in that one. Alright, should slide right out. Just the old tab. Going in with the new. Different color, didn't have one to match, but I mean, as you can see, it's already creasing. I mean, bad. Have that evened out. And now I just want to go back in and nail them all in. I want to barely lift the tab. Then I do have to get a whole hammer underneath, so it's not fairly easy to not lift it. Put in all the nails that I took out. Alright, now that it is completed, you'll see that that is my new one. I mean, it's creased. If I wipe them, That one actually didn't crease. So I mean, there was one out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One out of 8 that did not crease during that repair. And that is a